They go to finance, largely speaking, they go to finance long-term infrastructure investments. They go to finance projects which are in the public interest. And if they are deemed to be public interest and non-for-profit long-term assets, they also typically will receive tax-exempt status. So from the investor's standpoint, the tax-exempt nature of the income received on municipal bonds is one of the long-term attractive features. There are other attractive features too. Infrastructure tends to be a fairly high-quality segment of the bond market, and that government support relies upon things like tax revenues, personal income taxes at the state level, sometimes at the city level, like in New York City, corporate income taxes, sales taxes, tolls on toll roads, and fees for things like water and sewer and airports are all part of the revenue streams that go to repay these bonds. And so I think those tend to be less cyclical revenue streams. They tend to be fairly reliable revenue streams. And then finally, essential service and natural monopolies are one of the couple of the key themes that support municipal credit. That being a water and sewer system or a toll road is a natural monopoly because there's no competitor in the area typically, and that makes sense given the high capital investment. And the essential service nature, providing things like education and healthcare and police and fire for community safety. These things are very important to the population, so they tend to receive government support in a downturn, like the pandemic-driven downturn. Federal government supported state and local governments and healthcare facilities and transportation facilities to help stabilize the municipal bond market. And so those are some of the key features. I'll add one more, and that is this is a very, very fragmented market. So there are over 55,000 different individual entities that issue municipal bonds. If you add up all the individual bonds that they issue at the CUSIP level, the individual identifier of the bond, it's over 2 million. Many of which are quite small, don't trade very frequently. So it's highly decentralized and fragmented type of a market. So those are a few of the key features that I think are interesting about municipal bonds.